Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can add channel points to Twitch. So to do this, open up a browser and on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in www.help.twitch.tv/article channel points guide. This is going to list out the guide on how you could go ahead and add a channel point. As you can see at the bottom, Channel Points Guide for Creators. Now, Channel Point is a customizable point program that lets streamers reward members of the community with perks, including a taste of benefits typically reserved for subscriber. Now, Channel Point comes with built-in features, automated reward that streamers can customize. So streamers can also create customized reward that they fulfill on their own. You could go ahead and like such as choose the next channel I read, set my background music, or make me dance on a stream, all that. Now for viewers, channel points are a way to recognize for all the way they're ready, supporting the community from watching a channel to being a part of a read. Now this point can be earned as specific to the channel, and the points accumulated automatically when they're logged in and watch. So basically what you can do is open up your browser, type in twitchtv.com. So when you're logged in, you could go and press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Here, what next you need to do is, when you press the profile icon, go ahead and tap on channel, or you could go to creators dashboard. And you can see there is this option as customize channel. Here you could go and explore how you could go and add a channel point. So that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.